Open the WordPress dashboard. Go to Google. Search Google Analytics. Click Google Analytics for beginners. Select Account. Click Start Measuring. Write account name. Click Next. Write property name. Click the Next. Add business details. Click the Next. Add objectives. Click Create. Accept terms. Click the web. Copy URL. Paste URL here. Go to Plugins. Add new plugin. Search Google Analytics. Install first plugin. Then activate. Go to Sitekit. Sign in with Google. Select email. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click Verify. Click Allow. Click Setup. Click Next. Select Account. Complete the setup. Click Proceed. Select Account. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click the link in the bio to sign up wplearning101.com and start learning WordPress today.